Hi, I am Dr. Vikas Malineni, consultant endocrinologist at Jimcare Hospital, Kannur, Kerala. Today I would like to discuss the differences between radioactive iodine therapy and anti-thyroid medications. It is used to treat hyperthyroidism. And as you know, the thyroid gland is situated in the neck, which produces these thyroid hormones required for metabolism in our body. So this hyperthyroidism condition is nothing but production of this thyroid hormones in excess, which causes symptoms like increased warmth, increased heart rate, weight loss, diarrhea, irritability, anxiety. So these are the symptoms. When you find these symptoms, you usually go to the endocrinologist. The endocrinologist usually examines you thoroughly and gives an option of treatment that is individualized. And among these treatment for hyperthyroidism, usually there are three options. So such as radioactive iodine therapy, anti-thyroid medications, and surgery. Obviously, you know the surgery, there is a removal of gland which will subside the symptoms. So apart from that, we will discuss now about the radioactive iodine therapy versus anti-thyroid medications. So this radioactive iodine therapy is nothing but giving radioactive iodine in a capsule as a small doses which is swallowed by the patient. So this radioactive iodine will enter into the bloodstream and it is taken by this thyroid gland, and this active thyroid cells are destroyed by this radioactive iodine, so that these hyperthyroid symptoms will reduce and there is a chance of 100% cure. But in disadvantage of this radioactive iodine is patient needs to have precautions, tight precautions before and after taking this therapy, and it should not be used when patients are planning any pregnancy or already pregnant or anyone on breastfeeding. And there is a chances of permanent hyperthyroidism in future. So these are the disadvantages. But advantage is there is a high cure rate than this medication, anti-thyroid medications. And coming to the anti-thyroid medications, here these medications have a flexibility to use, and these medications should be used for up to 2 years to have a remission rate, that is a cure rate of around 40 to 50%, which is lower than the radioactive iodine therapy. But there is a less chances of going into hypothyroidism permanently. And there are disadvantages in this anti-thyroid medications as well, that is related to the drugs, such as drug reactions, and during pregnancy also there are complications related to fetal malformations may be there. So keeping on this in mind, these treatments should be individualized. So this would be better known by an endocrinologist. So you need to consult the nearby endocrinologist to come to a point where which is the best suited treatment for you. So these are the main differences. And anti-thyroid medications can be used when there is a contraindication for radioactive iodine therapy as well as surgery. So these are the options we have when there is a hyperthyroid condition, that is producing excess hormones from the thyroid. So it's better to discuss, consult a qualified endocrinologist and discuss these treatment options. Thank you.